Thinking about life on Mars, again, how do you think about cultural unification, systems of government, rules of law, establishing those very early on?
Well, I think I was just declared king of Mars a moment ago.
Yeah. I like that.
Yeah.
Take it.
So I think most likely the form of government on Mars would be a direct democracy, not representative. So it would be people voting directly on issues. And I think that's probably better because like the potential for corruption is substantially diminished in a direct versus a representative democracy. So I think that's probably what will occur. I think I would recommend like some adjustment for the inertia of laws would be wise in that it should probably be easier to remove a law than create one. I think that's probably good because just laws have infinite life unless they're taken away. And my recommendation would be like something like, let's say 60% of people need to vote in a law, but at any point greater than 40% of people can remove it. And any law should come with a built-in sunset provision. If it's not good enough to be voted back in, maybe it shouldn't be there.
So that's the framework for the government on Mars.
I mean, those would be my recommendations. The direct democracy, where it's slightly harder to put laws in place than to take them away.
Hit the subscribe button now for more future updates.
You be the king. Thank you, Elon Musk. Thank you.